Hi friends, this is Deepika. Welcome to Sewing is Fun. So today in this video, I'm going to show you few beautiful anarkali kurti designs which you can make from your old bandhani sari. So to make the kurti from the sari, I already shared the video for the same. So you can refer that for drafting. And to make this particular pattern of kurti, first you need to make the top and bottom part as I shown in the drafting pattern. Also you need to cut the lining fabric with the same patterns and leaving around half inches you need to add the saree's fabric pattern and lining fabric patterns together, and then you need to add the yoke on the front part of your kurti to make the neckline as you can see here. So you can take any patch whichever you like in your saree. So just cut out in the form of yoke pattern and just add it on top of your top part of the kurti. So this way your kurti will be ready, and to decorate it further you can add a few gota patti laces as you can see in the sleeves, in the dupattas and in the bottom part of the kurti. The simple plain golden gota patti lace is added here, and you can wear it with plain cotton palazzo pant, and this way it will give a very designer look to your simple bandhej sari pattern kurti. There is one more pattern I would like to share with you which you can make with the same sari. Here you don't need to add any yoke pattern to the neckline. You just create the top and bottom part as I had shown in the drafting pattern of my video, and then you just need to add the broad golden lace in the neckline of your kurti to decorate it. One more thing, in the bottom of the sleeve they had added a plain cotton strip, and to hide the stitching part they had added a broad golden lace in the horizontal way, and in the vertical way they had added few gota patti laces to decorate further. To decorate the dupatta, they had also added the silver gota patti laces on both the top and end part of the dupatta. As you can see, it is added in the vertical way. So first you need to draw these lines onto your fabric and then attach the laces on top of the markings. You can pair this kurti with plain palazzo pant with the same matching color of your bandhej sari and add a few gota patti laces on the bottom of your palazzo pants to decorate it further. This is the another pattern of your kurti which you can try with your bandhej sari. Here the kurti of the fabric is plain cotton, and the dupatta is from the bandhej sari, and the palazzo is also from the bandhej sari. So you can add elastic and made a palazzo like this. If you want to know how to make this palazzo, just check out the link in the description box below. To decorate the neckline of your plain kurti, you need to add a broad golden lace. It's a sikka lace, but you can try any other whichever you get in the market. Just add on top of your neckline. Now again the dupatta is decorated with one simple golden lace and the sikka lace attached to it. So you can try these two laces, or you can try any other golden laces whatever you get in the market. So that's all for today. I hope you like these designs. If you like it, then please hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe my channel, and also click the bell icon to get the latest designer wear updates. See you in the next video.